Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, this is Colin here. Today I want to share a little bit more about swing trade. Previously I've posted a video on swing trade and there was some question asking about swing trade. Okay, so if you want to watch the previous video on swing trade, click on the link and then it'll bring you to the previous video about swing trading. Today I want to answer this question about swing trading. Number one is, what is the time frame when you are doing swing trading? Okay, so that's a very good question. And for swing trading, you can apply it both for weekly charts and for daily charts on the equity market. For the forex market, you can do even up to an hourly chart. Anything that is too short may not be so suitable for forex. But for equity, you can do daily charts and weekly charts. Okay, for forex, you can do all three time frame, daily, weekly, and even hourly charts. Okay, so let's revise through what is swing trading. Basically, we are looking for a few things. Number one, we are looking for a trend. Okay, how we define a trend is the two moving average. We have the 20 MA, which is the red line, and the 40 MA, which is the blue line. They should be sloping up. Okay, sloping up and nice space out. Okay, number one is like that. The first context is like that. Number two, the 20 should be above 40. This is very straightforward. So you need to make sure there's uptrend. Number three, you want to wait for a pullback. Okay, so how do you see a pullback? What we use is the CCI. In this case, we are using CCI 5 here. The normal setting for CCI is 20, so we change it to 5. You see, in the normal market, right, the market move in a rhythm of 5. Okay, so it's about 5 days pullback. Okay, and then a 5 days pullback, you know, so there's a rhythm of 5. So what will you use is a CCI 5. Next thing we want to look for is, we want to look for uptrend first. Second thing, we want to wait for pullback. And how do you know it's a pullback is when we look at the CCI 5. Okay, this is on the daily charts. Okay, on daily charts, the CCI 5 drops below minus 100. Okay, so from here we know that it is right now oversold. Okay, after market is oversold, you want to wait for a trigger. Okay, you want to wait for a trigger, and the trigger can be the previous day high. It can be a trend line. You can draw a trend line down to trigger you to go in. Okay, or it can be just a shorter term moving average for you to get in. Okay, in our example, we will use just the previous day high as the trigger. So I say it again. First thing is the sloping up moving average. Number two is the 20 above 40. Number three, CCI must drop below 100. Okay, number four, it must touch the red line, okay, or go below the red line. Okay, number five, must above the blue line, which is the 40 moving average. Must maintain above the 40 moving average. So once you have these 5 things set up, okay, then next thing you want to look for is a trigger, which is the swing above the previous day high. So once it goes above the previous day high, example over here, okay, once it goes above the previous day high, okay, that will be a trigger, and then you'll put the stop loss below the previous day low. Okay, previous day low, this is enter day, this is the previous day low, you should put it below here. Then your target price will be up to this swing. This will be the first swing. Okay, you sell 30 to 50%, and then you write on to the rest for the rest of the swing. Okay, so you can apply this to daily charts. Okay, there are a lot of examples of charts that you can. We have a scanner that can able to help you to screen for stocks. Let's say this right now NASDAQ. Screen for stocks right now that are in this particular setup. So example, this is Starbucks. Again, you see Starbucks right now, it has pulled back previously to the CCI low, and then there's a swing high, and then right now there's another swing low over here. Okay, there are some distinctions. There are about 5 other distinctions when we talk about swing trading. Today I may not have enough time to explain all the other 5 distinctions about swing trading. They are quite important. Okay, maybe in the future video I can talk about what are the 5 other distinctions. But right now, the 5 things, the 5 checklists you want to look at again: sloping moving average. Okay, 20 above 40, CCI low. Look at it here, CCI low, and then trigger previous day high, and then make sure it's below the blue line. Okay, so previous here pullback, you can also see it over here. There was a pullback, and then a swing high again. Okay, so if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.